Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through the setup process for the Tapo C200 WiFi CCTV camera. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you get your camera up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the Tapo C200. Inside the box, you'll find the camera, a power adapter, a mounting plate, screws, and a quick start guide. Make sure you have everything ready before proceeding to the next step. Next, download the Tapo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. The app is essential for setting up and managing your camera. After downloading the app, launch it and follow the prompts to either create a new account if you're a first-time user or log in with your existing credentials if you already have an account. In the Tapo app, press the icon to add a new device. Browse through the available options and select the C200 model from the list to begin the setup process. Follow the prompts to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure your phone is connected to the same network during this step. Once connected, you can now position your Tapo C200 camera. Choose a location with a clear view of the area you want to monitor. You can either place it on a flat surface or use the mounting plate and screws to fix it to a wall or ceiling. In the Tapo app, you can now adjust various settings such as motion detection sensitivity, recording schedules, and camera angles. You can also enable notifications to be alerted whenever the camera detects movement. After adjusting the settings, it's time to test your camera. Use the app to view the live feed and ensure that the camera is capturing the desired area. Make any necessary adjustments to the angle or settings. If you experience any issues or need help, our expert team is available to assist you. Contact us at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. And that's it. Your Tapo C200 WiFi CCTV camera is now set up and ready to monitor your home or office. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.